Good morning. My name is Kushalveer Singh, Mechanical Engineering Department, RCIT Jaipur. Today, I will discuss about quality management system. A quality management system that is called in short form QMS is a formalized system that documents processes, procedures, and responsibilities for achieving quality policies and objectives. A QMS helps to coordinate and direct an organization's activities to meet customer and regulatory requirements and improve its effectiveness and efficiency on a continuous basis. Now, purpose of QMS. Quality management systems serve many purposes, including improving processes, facilitating and identifying training opportunities, engaging staff, setting organization wide direction. Now, benefits of quality management system. What are the benefits? What are the advantages of quality management system? That are implementing a quality management system affects every aspect of an organization's performance. Two overarching benefits of quality management system includes meeting the customer's requirements, which helps to install confidence in the organization, in turn leading to more customers, more sales, and more repeat business. Meeting the organization's requirements, which ensures compliance with the regulations and provisions of product and services in the most cost and resource efficient manner, creating room for expansion, growth, and profit. Elements and requirements of a quality management system. What are the requirements and what are the elements of QMS? General elements of QMS include the organization's quality policy and quality objectives, quality manual, procedure, instruction and records, data management, internal processes, customer satisfaction from the product quality, improvement opportunities, quality analysis. Each element of a quality management system serves a purpose towards the overall goals of meeting the customers and organization's requirements. Ensuring each of the elements of a QMS is present ensure proper execution and function of the QMS quality management system. Establishing and implementing QMS. How and where we can establish and implement the QMS. Establishing a quality management system helps organizations run effectively. Before establishing a quality management system, the organization must identify and manage various connected multifunctional processes to ensure customer satisfaction is always the target achieved. The basic steps to implementing a quality management systems are as follows. That is design, build, deploy, control, measure, review, and improve. First is the design and build. The design and build portions serve to develop the structure of a QMS, its processes and plans for implementations. Senior management must oversee this portion to ensure the need of the organizations and needs of its customers are a driving force behind the system developments. And the deploy. Deployment is best served in a granular fashion, that is breaking each process down into sub processes and educating staff on documentation, education, training, tools, and metrics. Company intranets are increasingly being used to assist in the deployment of quality management system. Control and measure. Control and measurements are two areas of establishing a QMS that are largely accomplished through routine, systematic audits of the quality management systems. The specifics vary greatly from organization to organization depending on size, potential risk, and environmental impact. Review and improve. Review and improvement deals with how the results of an audit are handled. The goals are to determine the effectiveness and efficiency of each process towards its objectives, to communicate these findings to the employees, and to develop new best practices and processes based on the data collected during the audit. Now, ISO 9001 2008 Quality Management System, that is a type of ISO family. ISO family, ISO 9000 2005 consists of 3 years: ISO 2005 Quality Management System Fundamentals and Vocabulary, and ISO 9001 2008 QMS Requirements required for certifications, management responsibilities, resource management, product service realizations, measurement analysis improvements, and ISO 9004 9009 QMS guidelines for performance improvements. First of all, we will discuss ISO 9001 2008. ISO 9000 is for quality management. Quality refers to all those features of the product which are required by the customer. Quality management means what the organization does to ensure that its products or services satisfy the customer's quality requirements and comply with any regulations applicable to those products or services. Quality management also means what the organization does to enhance customer satisfaction and achieve continual improvement of its performance. ISO 9001 is in generic standards. Generic means that the same standards can be applied to any organizations, large or small, whatever its product or service, in any sector of activity, and whether it is a business enterprise, a public administration, or a government department. Generic means that the same standards can be applied to any organizations, large or small, whatever its product or service, in any sector of activity, and whether it is a business enterprise, a public administration, or a government department. Management systems. Management systems mean what the organization does to manage its processes or activities in order that its products or services meet the organization's objectives, such as satisfying the customer's quality requirements, complying to regulations, or meeting environmental objectives. To be really efficient and effective, the organizations can manage its way of doing things by systemizing it. Nothing important is left out. Everyone is clear about who is responsible for doing what, when, how, why, and where. Management system standards provide the organization with an international state of art model to follow. ISO 9000 concerns the way an organization goes about its work. They are not product standards, they are not service standards, they are process standards. They can be used by product manufacturer and service providers. ISO 9001 gives the requirements for what the organization must do to manage process affecting quality of its product and services. Certification and registration. Certification is known as registration in some countries. An independent external body has audited an organization's management system and verified that it conforms to the requirements specified in the standard ISO 9001. The benefits of ISO 9001 certification is the major reason why many companies want ISO 9001 certification is that they want to portray themselves as a worthy company to do business with. Many of them do not really realize the benefits, some direct and other indirect. And direct benefits are improved customer satisfaction, improved quality of products and services, employee satisfaction and more commitment to the organizations, better management and a more effective organization, improved relation with suppliers, improved promotion of corporate image. And are the indirect benefits? It helps companies to review business goals and assess how well the organization is meeting those goals. Identify processes that are unnecessary or inefficient and they then remove or improve them. Review the organizational structure, clarifying managerial responsibilities, improve internal communications and business and the process interface. Improve staff morale by identifying the importance of their output to the business and by involving them in the review and improvement of their work. Thank you.